Hey, what's up everybody? This is Olaf from Mobile WizTech. Today I'll be doing a quick unboxing and setup for the pink gold color Galaxy Active Watch 2. Now before I get started, if you haven't done so already, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that way you can stay up to date when new videos are posted on my channel. So if you're wondering if I actually got this for myself, the answer is no. I actually got it for my wife's recent birthday, and I just thought I'd share it with you. This is the Active 2, the pink gold one. It is the 44mm one. There's also a different size. This comes in two different sizes, which is the 44mm and also the 40mm. And it's also two other colors as well. So here are the other two colors. There's aqua black, and then there's cloud silver. Now again, this is a quick unboxing. As you probably already guessed, it has been opened already. My wife was not going to wait for me to do a video before she opened this. So let's just call this maybe a re-unboxing and then a setup. So let's go ahead and get it open. So here's the watch itself. And so here's your quick terms and conditions and startup guide, and your charger, which does not come with the actual charge brick. So you have to use one of your older ones, and then you should be good to go. And the watch will just lay flat here. So I wanted to do a quick size comparison between the Active 2 and the Gear S3. As you can see, the screen sizes are the same, but with the Gear S3, with the physical rotating bezel, it appears that the watch is much larger. And as you can see on the sides, how much thicker it is. So this is more masculine if you ask me, whereas regardless of the size of, well, this will be more of unisex. So if you get the 40mm one or the 44mm one, it shouldn't matter if you're a male or female because of the sleek design that it has. So compared to the Gear S3, pretty bulky and more masculine. So if you are wondering if the 44mm will be too large for a woman, I guess it really depends on your wrist size, but I would say no. I got it for my wife and it looks just fine on her. So I just want to give you a heads up on that. Let's take a closer look here. As you can see, it has two speakers here, so you can play music through your watch. You can make and receive phone calls with your watch as long as your connected device is near you. So as long as that's connected, you can make and receive phone calls, no problem. And let's see the other side here. So you have this is your back button. This acts as your back button. And this is your home button. And you have your monitor sensor here as well. So let's do a quick setup. And after that, we should be all set. And then you want to go to your phone that you want to have your watch connected to and go to the Play Store and then install the Galaxy wearable app. And once you have that installed and your watch is on this screen here, you go ahead and select the top version here, which is Galaxy Active 2. And then you should see this screen here. So you go ahead and tap here, and you tap here as well. Tap connect. And then you just wait for this to finish connecting. And now you just go ahead and tap agree. And then, oh, you can just skip that, that's fine. You're gonna skip this for now. Hit next. And that's it. So once you've done all your updates and you have everything set up, you should be good to go. You can just simply tap on the tab of watch faces and choose different watch faces. You can download some more watch faces as well. There are so many options in here. But again, this was just a quick unboxing or re-unboxing, should I say, and setup for the Active2. As always, I do thank you for watching. Please hit that subscribe button and also share and comment. And until next time, keep it mobile.